Aloha and welcome to my channel, 808 Living Island Style. My name is Jeff Hanna and I'm a realtor here on the Big Island of Hawaii, and my goal is to show you what living on the Big Island of Hawaii is all about. And today I'm going to show you an open house that I hosted for my good friend and fellow realtor Kendall DiDonato. And I want to thank Kendall again for the opportunity to let me host an open house at one of her listings. All right, well, let's hop in the car. Let's head up to Waikoloa Village. All right, this morning I'm going up to Waikoloa Village. I'm going to host two separate open houses at a couple of condos up there. So here's the drive from my house in Kauai to Waikoloa Village. I love when I leave my neighborhood. Look at that view. Incredible. Wow, actually traffic today. Whoa, 2 cars I gotta wait for. All right, how'd you like that drive? All right, let's talk about the condo now. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo and has a loft upstairs with a potential 3rd bedroom. And it looks over the beautiful Waikoloa Village golf course. I think you're gonna like it. All right, this unit is currently listed at $463,000, and it would make a wonderful second home, and it would also make a great investment property. You should check out my website at www.808livingislandstyle.com. And there you have access to the Hawaii MLS. You can pull it up and see everything for yourself. All right, we're here at the first open house on 321 Paniolo Street. Beautiful Waikoloa Village. Make a quick walk through. Basically a 1,000 square foot condo, 2 bedrooms. Here's the master. There you go. There's the master bath. Sweet and simple. The shower. Got a little closet here. You got your main closet. And when we come, there's a little laundry closet, little stackables. And here's the kitchen, small kitchen. You're in a condo, so all the kitchens are small. Just a little bit of cabinetry, a little counter space. A little eat-in spot. Your stove right there. Walk right into your just small living room. Stairs to the loft. We'll go to that next. Here is the second full bath. Here's the shower. And you have your general storage area, as you could tell. Got lots of room to store your little knickknacks. Here is a second bedroom. Well, it's technically not what you would consider a bedroom, but you got this little privacy door you can close. Otherwise, you leave it open and you got access to the whole thing. I'm gonna go up the stairs to the little loft. This is a flex room, so to speak. You can see there's more storage up here, and there's the little bit of storage under there. You can't really tell, but there's extra storage. You need it. And then you got a little loft here. They're using it as I guess a guest room, but it's been used as an office. Just lots of things you could do with it. Pretty cool. Look down on everything. They're on the 3rd floor, so we have some nice views here. There's the golf course. Beautiful. And as you go around, you see you got some more condos in your neighborhood. There's some more. Overall, beautiful place. You really gotta like sitting out on your back porch balcony looking at that. Not bad. Anyway, aloha. Wow, wasn't that a cool little condo? But I gotta say, I love being a realtor. I get to cruise around the island, I get to look at houses and condos, which I love, and I get to meet people. This is an awesome job. And moving forward, you're gonna see a lot more videos from me with different kinds of real estate here on the island. And remember, I wanna be your resource for all things real estate. I'm gonna be your man on the ground here on the Big Island. So you see anything you like, I want you to reach out to me. I'll check it out for you. I'll go there like I just did. I'll make videos. I'll show you everything you need to know. Thanks again for watching my channel today. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Go to my website, check it all out. But most of all, reach out to me. I would love to talk to you. You could call me, text me, email me, get a hold of me on my website. I got 1,000 ways to get a hold of me. Please reach out. I look forward to it. See you next time. And as they say in Hawaii, thank you or mahalo.